A variety of tips is a workbench essential. Selecting the right tip for your application is important as it not only improves your soldering skills but also your productivity, efficiency and saves you money. Remember, the right tools help you get the job done right. First up, always remember to match your tip to the task. Soldering tips come in different point styles, lengths and mass, so select the right size for the intended job. A spade tip has a dual face, allowing for maximum heat delivery and providing two working surfaces. The angle face allows you to get into tight areas. As with large face tips, it makes tinning and splicing easier, a great all-rounder and definitely one for the workbench. Now let's talk about an angle face tip, which allows for maximum heat delivery while holding the tool at a comfortable 45 degrees. The large face allows for tinning and splicing wire with ease. Next are mini flow tips or hoof tips, which are spoon-shaped, allowing you to drag the soldering tip across multiple pins at once, also known as drag soldering. These tips can be used to distribute or collect excess solder. Finally, angle conical tips. Excellent for precision work and accessing hard to reach areas. The short length allows you to easily solder fine pitch leads. A review of essential tips for your workbench. First, match tip to task. When considering tips for your workbench, consider spade tips as a good all-rounder, choose angled face tips for maximum heat delivery, a miniflow tip is good for drag soldering, and finally, angled conical tips are ideal for precision work. For more information on the tips featured, visit Edsyn.com. Look out for more videos on Workbench Essentials coming from Edsyn.